everyone, it's Tammy again, and I am at the Great Big Home and Garden Show here in Cleveland, Ohio at the IX Center. So I'm coming to check in on my little table that I did for Habitat for Humanity, but I'm also going to show you guys a few things over in the exhibition hall, some gardening stuff and some things that catch my eye. So let's head on in. Hey guys, it's Tammy again. So I have found my way to my table. I'm still at the Great Big Home and Garden Show at the IX Center in Cleveland, Ohio. And here is my lovely table. So I know that you guys remember from, I think about a week ago, I did a video showing you kind of the plain table, and it is also on the sign. So the table was just kind of plain, brown, blah, and I just kind of spruced it up a little bit. It kind of looks like shiplap a little bit to me, but these tables, and you'll see the other tables in the video, these tables are actually donated to the cause of Habitat for Humanity, which is a global nonprofit, and what they do is they help people that are in transition get homes. They believe that everyone should have a home, and what they do is the people that are up for consideration, they actually help to build the home, and then people from the neighborhood, people from Habitat for Humanity, other volunteers, they help to build the home and furnish the home. Ashley Furniture, I think, is one that they donate furniture to it. So they do all of this stuff, and it's non-profit. It's crazy and it's amazing. So my table is being auctioned off now, and all the other tables are being auctioned off, and all of the proceeds are going to Habitat for Humanity. So if you're in the Cleveland area, get your keister down here and bid on one of these tables. Preferably mine, obviously, but any of them will do. So until we meet again somewhere with some plants, ta-ta!